incredible. Such a good chance to meet the right people. Everyone is here. The vibe has been incredible. Connected Britain is incredibly important to the industry as a whole because everybody comes here. It is a merging of the right minds. The content is all about not what's happening now, but what's going to be happening and where we need to be.
To reconnect with existing partners, meet prospective new partners is really what this event for me is all about. It gives the chance to connect with people, connect with new partners, connect with customers, to share ideas, to look at innovation and to really showcase what's the best that this industry has to offer.
It's the main events of the year. From the whole stack of the industry, it brings everyone together. It's a great community. Everyone has a lot of fun as well. Something that we really want to be part of every year.
What isn't there to enjoy? Like, you've got amazing speakers, you've got amazing connections, people are in a great mood, they all want to be able to connect. Literally, it's the place to be, and if you want to accelerate your learning in this sector, connect with the people that count, you've got to be here.